Hello and welcome. This short video is on the uses and form of the second conditional. The second conditional is used to hypothesize about present or future situations. Often the condition is unlikely but possible, such as a lottery win or having twins. The second conditional is frequently used to give advice. We often use the form "if I were you" as the if clause. It can also be used to express regrets about something, such as offering an excuse for declining an invitation. The second conditional is also common when describing dreams, such as a luxury purchase or once-in-a-lifetime experience. The second conditional uses the past simple to establish an unreal condition. Would plus a main verb in its infinitive form state the hypothetical present or future outcome. Here are some simple example sentences. If I won the lottery, I would quit my job. If you had twins, you would need two incomes. If they downsized, they would free up some cash. If I had more time, I'd learn a foreign language. If I were you, I would apply for the job. If I didn't have to work, I would come to the party. If I lent Jerry money, he wouldn't pay it back. Look at the below examples and identify which doesn't use the second conditional. Leave your answer A, B or C in the comments. If I had the money, I would lend you it. If it snows hard, they will close the bridge. If I lived in London, I would support Chelsea.